All right, so I'm going to quickly show you how to use Google Earth in Street View. So once you search for the application, you're going to want to launch it. So it takes a minute for it to load. So I've actually already loaded it in another tab, but you would want to click on that and then wait for it to load until you see this view. So from here, you can click on the magnifying glass and you can search for a location. As you can see, I've already searched for Germantown Academy, which is where we are right now. And now I can go into Street View by clicking on this icon of a person. So when I click on that icon, I'll see these blue lines and dots appear. I can click on this person and drag the icon anywhere I want along these blue lines. And it'll take me into Street View. So once I'm in Street View, I can rotate, I can use the arrows to navigate around, and I can continue to travel anywhere that those blue lines or dots first appeared. Now I can take a screenshot here, and I can then return to the view I had before by exiting Street View by clicking on that icon again, that icon of the person. Down here, I can see my camera coordinates, and I can copy those or write those into the Google Doc that I'm working with. And that's how you use Google Earth.